Hi everybody, this is the solution to problem number 5. So we're given this table and we're told that that the people putting on the selection are not sure what to do with these results because each of the candidates get 15 first place votes. So our question is, what method can we use to determine a winner? So I did this problem a number of times, and I feel as though perhaps there are two answers. If you can see through this, please let me know if I'm making a mistake. But anyway, let's start with plurality. So plurality says the person with the greatest number of votes will win. Well, they all have the same, so nobody wins by plurality. Majority, person needs to have more than half the votes. That definitely does not happen in this case, so there's no winner. Alright, so looking at Condorcet, we could do our head-to-head confrontation. So A versus B. A wins in the first two columns, B wins in the second two. So it's 30 for A, 30 for B, so there's no winner. A versus C. Well, A wins in the first and fourth column. C wins in the second and third column. So that also becomes 30 to 30. So there's no winner of that confrontation. A to D is where it gets interesting. So A wins in the first, second, and fourth column. So that gives them 45. And D wins just in the third column. It's 15. So you could say that A wins this confrontation. B versus C. So B wins in the first and fourth, C wins in the second and third, so it's 30-30, and no winner. B versus D. B wins first and fourth, D wins second and third, so again it's 30-30, no winner. C versus D. C wins first and second, D wins third and fourth. So it seems as though A wins by the Condorcet method. Now, this is not what I think the maker of the question intended. What I think is that they intended to set it up so that they could only win by Borda, because we'll find that we do get a solution using Borda. But let's just say that A wins by Condorcet. We have to use our data, regardless of what we think that the question is asking. Elimination method, so you eliminate the person with the least amount of votes. Well, nobody has the least amount of votes, so that's not going to work. And finally, if we set up Borda, let's see if I can get it all on the same screen. If I look at my votes for A, I got 15 first place votes. I've got 30 second place votes, 0 third place, and 15 fourth place. That gives me a total of 165. B, I have 15 first place, 15 second, 15 third, and 15 fourth. That gives me 150. My points for C is actually exactly the same. So 15, 2, 15, 115 also gives 150. And finally, D has 15 first place votes, 0 second place votes, 30 third place votes, and 15 fourth place votes. This gives a total of 135. So overall, A wins by Borda. So we could say from this that A wins overall.